Oh, the deviant strikes again. Must he have to fit her a 10 glass or a litre of vodka?
Ding 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 ding.
Oh. He was determined. He wasn't giving up.
You know what? He has that one on video.
We need some banjo music.
It's the start of the fucking video.
No.
We'll send edit that bit.
Can you edit it?
I send that to somebody with an iPhone. He's got an iPhone.
Yeah, right,
One was
right.
too low and one was too high.
Joke, no post, no joke.
Yeah, you're right.
Straight across. We'll do it until.
How'd you know that?
Close.
Shagwell knows everything.
Oh, you do your own pulling.
Hey, that's the story of my life.
You can put your own spring now.
Oh.
Isn't it?
Well.
Where I get one of these hats, Phil?
Tesco's?
That's a flipping cracker.
That's a hillbilly hat.
Johnny Applefield.
He looks like a polar bear now.
She is the weapon.
Excellent. Phil, how long have you been here?
Can I see that?